G'day guys, it's Dennis from Australia. Came to Blue Elephant looking for a 1325 CNC router for cutting EVA foam decking with a 2400 RPM spindle and an oscillating knife. Came to Blue Elephant and I'm nothing but impressed. Great quality, great work. They've helped me train on the machine as well. I knew not much about them, but I've learned quite a bit. They've taken great care of me. It's been a great experience, great company, great quality, great sales team as well. Very impressed. Thanks Blue Elephant, appreciate it. Cheers.